everybody. This is Anmol Verma, a Digital Commerce from St. Lawrence Public School, Dilshad Garden. First of all, I would like to thank my management that has given me such an opportunity, good opportunity for attending a session with Mr. Kapil and Mr. Manish, a program based on learning how to learn. This program is actually about all the things which consist of various barriers that a student may face, even a teachers may face while teaching learning process. Definitely this program has taught me about various such things, that how to overcome these barriers and how we can improve the teaching learning process in the classroom. So I would definitely recommend all other schools, all other teachers to follow with this program, and it will definitely enhance our knowledge and enhance our new things, that how we can start with or how we can deal with various types of barriers, and we can definitely overcome the barriers, and we can definitely go with the new era of teaching. So I would recommend everybody to go with this program, learning how to learn, so that we, a nation builder, our teachers, definitely go with this things. Thank you so much.